turtle nesting site where the Pollution Control Board conducted inspection and found out that around 32 of the establishment do not have consent to operate, and they directed closure of this establishment. Accordingly, the collector sealed these 32 establishment, and the Pollution Control Board is supposed to make more inspections and find out places where consent to operate is not there, and they will pass further orders.
Sir, what will happen if they obtain the consent to operate, but in view of that, that area is silence zone?
See, there are two things. There is no bar to operate this particular establishment, provided they have all permissions and consent. But as far as sound and music is concerned, this entire stretch from 0 to 500 meters from Mandre to Morjim has been declared as silence zone. So therefore, they will not be able to have these music festivals or loud music outdoor, especially in this area of 500 meters.